Everyone is happy. So you are having a National Girl Child Day today. So today is like we are having a very good kind of, it's like a festival. Okay. So now what we're going to do is this. Okay, let me check about. Okay, so we are live. Yes, good. One more streaming and here we go. Yes. So be focused here in today's lecture. Today's lecture is going to be like very interesting because we'll again switch back to the ray optics. Okay. So by the way, first of all, congratulations for this. Happy National Girl Child Day. And now we'll start our class. Okay. So keep learning and fine. So this was the topic, that is ray optics. Okay. So let us first see the revision slide. What are the things which we have completed till now? Okay. So this is a revision slide. Plus with this, I've also included the contents. Plus with this, I've also included the contents here. Okay. So you can see this flash coming, this kind of flash in front of you. This is from the beginning, okay, because it shows you kind of like light, rays, beam, because you can see the backside is like mirror. Okay. No issues. I think I've started everything, live streaming and all. Yeah. By the way, how are you all? Nobody have texted me. How you're feeling like? Okay, what about Sakshi, Maria, and Mavish, Badaksha, Bashir, Alafia, and all the students? What about, where are your friends? Haven't you joined this class? I think your GNVs, maybe some GNVs are off. I mean, you are given holidays due to increasing cases, maybe. Okay. Okay, students. So I'm also fine. Bashir, I'm fine. Maria, all the students, I'm fine. Okay. Now, please be focused here. So, see this. At first, we'll be studying this. Who is this student? What you're doing in the class? Hey, I haven't made you the host. Okay, let me see. Who is the student I made the host by mistake? Is anybody host here or co-host? No, you are not the co-host. What about you? You are also not the co-host. What about you? You are also not the co-host. What about you? Not co-host. What about you? Okay. Okay, so just wait. Who did this? Hey, why are you using the board here? Are you able to use the board? Don't use the board, okay? You're not allowed to use the board. Okay, so we'll start with the recall question first. Okay. Then we'll start with the combination of mirrors. Then we'll start with the refraction. ठीक है, अगर इसके बाद भी still with by completing all these topics, if in the end, okay, in the end, if we are left with some time, okay, to complete these topics, that is, or if we're having still the time left, like say nearly 20-25 minutes after completing the previous slide topics, then we'll start with the apparent depth, normal shift, and a refraction through grass slab, and this thing, that is lateral shift. Got it? Then we'll study these topics. So I hope the revision thing and also the contents of today's class is completed. Now, since you know this thing, just hold for a second. Let me do some kind of jugaad here. Just hold on. Let me stop share the screen and let me look the PPT. What's happening there? PPT is fine. Let us again share the screen. Yeah, now it will work. Okay, so these are the things which we have told you. This, and then if you are having the time at the end of the class, then we'll see other things. That is what? Apparent depth normal shift, refraction through glass slab, lateral shift. Yeah, so this is a recall question in front of you. All of you can see with your eyes on your mobile phones or say your Smart labs. This is recall questions. Okay. So what this question teaches you, that you're having a this is what kind of mirror? It's a concave mirror. This is what? This is pole. This is what? This is object. And by the way, it is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the pole. And this concave mirror is having the radius of curvature, which is, of course, since this is curved like this, such that the radius of curvature, if we measure from the pole, the c distance, that is the center of curvature, it will give us a negative sign. And of course, going from the pole like this will give you the negative. Going away from the pole will give you the positive sign. So r is here is minus 20. Of course, through this we'll get f as minus 10. Because we know this thing f in magnitude is r by 2. ठीक? तो हमारे पास क्या क्या आ गया? What are the things we are having now? We are having f minus 10. We are having r minus 20. We are having u as minus 5, by the way. It's not written minus, but you have to take it minus because Paul is in front. Yes, these are the things. So now they're asking from us to find the position and the type of image form. So what is your answer, students? I'm giving you 5 minutes because this was a homework question, by the way. I'm taking here it is a recall question. I don't know whether you have attended this question or not. So if anybody has written anything on the board, I will remove you or I will report. Okay. Please don't do that. Be focused here. So इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करो. I've given you this question as a homework. What is the answer? You just have to use the formula 1 by v, 1 by u, 1 by f, and then after this, what you need to do is this. You have to then put these values. V we need, u is minus 5, f is already founded of minus, put these values, minus 10 it is. Then you'll get the v and then comment, is it virtual image or real image? This is the solution, students. I've given you the general format of the solution 100%. And comment, this is the virtual image or the real image. I'm waiting for your answers. 5 minutes. Till then, no audio. Okay. So students are enjoying solving this question, whose solution I've already given as a general format, no issues. So now we'll see, is this answer right or wrong? Okay. So see, students, be focused here, very much focused on the slides. Okay. So now I will see, is your answer right or wrong? Just wait. Okay. So if you see here, this is what What is the object distance? So let us see what are the solution. 5 centimeter virtual. Bashir says. Maria says 10 centimeter virtual. Okay. Okay. One thing is clear. One thing is clear from your solutions, students. कि image will be virtual. ठीक है, ये आंसर है. But distance क्या होगा? Of course negative sign आएगा, तभी तो virtual है. लेकिन distance क्या है? What is the distance? उसके लिए we'll see this. See here carefully. 1 by v, 1 by u equals to 1 by f. U will use how much? U will use -5. V value is how much? V value is, I don't know, I need to find. Focus value is how much? Focus is -10. 1 by V minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10. This will give you V is equals to from this, students, what you will get? Okay, so from this we can conclude V is equal to 10 centimeter. This is our answer. And this is a virtual image. This is what, students? This is a virtual image. Is it fine? Yes. So text me how many students got this answer. That is 10. No. Yeah, 10 centimeter and virtual. I told what virtual होगा negative. Negative is not a thing. Negative तो इस case में real के लिए होगा. Virtual के लिए it has to be positive sign. Distance must of the image must be positive. ठीक है? So if we see the answer of this will be this. That is, see it carefully. V plus 10 plus का मतलब on the other side of the mirror. मतलब कुछ यहाँ, somewhere यहाँ. This will say is image plus 10. Got it, students? समझ में आ गया? I hope it's cleared now. Okay. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now let us proceed towards the next question in this series. Yeah. So there is some topic or some theoretical concept which is known given by the name as this, that is transverse magnification. So what the name is given? The name is given as transverse magnification. What is this transverse magnification? Any one of you? See, इसमें ज़्यादा tension नहीं लेना है. What are the thing is this? You have to remember only few points. ठीक है? You just have to remember this formula in front of you. If the height of the image is given, sorry, height of the object is given, and image distance and object distance is given, you will use this relation to find any one of the variable. ठीक है? जैसे मानो कि height of the image दे दिया, object भी दे दिया, object distance you can directly find uv or if vu. So you're having four things here connected together with this formula. Okay, what we say this we say as height of image. इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं height of object. इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं image distance. इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं object distance. ठीक है? Just remember this formula and your work is finished. No need to think कैसे derive हुआ कैसे. If still you want to know, because you know I'm like mathematician, you like mathematics. If you still want to know the derivation, just be focused here. Okay, just see this picture. Use the property of similar triangles. Okay, and then use this formula. Finish. Now in the next slide, PTO, please turn over. In the next slide, we'll see how to apply this formula in an application or in a finding solution of a numerical. So now let us see the next slide. Yes. As you can see on your screen, okay, a few students are texting me something. What they say? See, you can see in this question, this is also numerical based on the transverse magnification. Let me add this thing. This is a numerical which is based on transverse magnification. Okay, this is what? A numerical based on transverse magnification. Now I'll solve it. Just no need to worry, sir. Kaise hua, kaise nahi. Just be focused on the slide. I'll give you a complete step-by-step solution, and then you'll be happy. Okay. See, this is an object which is having object distance as 10 centimeters from this pole, and this object is having height of the object as 4 centimeter positive. Okay. This is, students, a concave mirror which is having focal length 10 centimeter. इसका मतलब है the focal length is what? It's not a concave. I told concave. Why didn't you, I mean, in between stopped me? It's not a concave mirror, it's a convex mirror. So this convex mirror is having focal length as plus 10 centimeters. Okay. So now you need to find the position. You need to find the position of the image, that is V. Now you need to find the height of the image, that is HI, and find the type of image. Type of image का क्या मतलब होता है? Type of the image means either the image is virtual or the image is real. Got it? Yes. So अब हम application, let us use the application. But first of all, we need to find the V, because this is our first part, second part, third part. Third part is just the conclusion of the first and the second above two parts or two sub questions. ठीक है? Got it? Now let us put the values and find the V. Formula for convex or concave is same. I repeat it again. Formula for convex mirror or concave mirror is same. That is 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. V is the image distance which we need to find. Use the object distance which is given here minus 10 centimeter. F is the focal length, इसको कहते हैं 10 centimeters. Since it's a convex mirror, it's a convex mirror. Since it's a convex mirror, it will be positive. Okay. So 1 by V minus 1 by 10, 1 by 10. From this, you can see yourself 1 by V will come out to be 2 by 10. And this V will be now equals to plus 5 centimeter. So you can conclude from this that the image will be virtual. One thing is clear. From just by seeing this first answer of the first question, position of the image, you know this thing, this is the position of the image. We can say this image is virtual, है ना? Because plus 5 का मतलब ये हुआ कि it will be at this side. It's plus 5 and it's virtual image. Okay. This is image. Now, next thing they were asking the question, you can see, find the height of the image also. We have solved this. We have solved this. Let me mark with the green color. Roger that. Finish. Now height we need. Height you will find like this. Height of the image. Height of the image upon height of the object is equals to minus V by U. ठीक है? Image का height I don't know. Object का height I know, it's positive 4 centimeter. Minus V V कितना है? V is +5 centimeter. U कितना है? U is -10 centimeter. Okay. So through this, you can say like this, कि sir, if I solve this, height of the image will come to be -5. And since this, what is this? Why this is minus is the top, this sign with it. V is actually positive. It's a virtual image. U is negative. It's a real object. Minus minus will cut. This will come as half. Object is +4 centimeter in height. So through this, you can comment like this, that height of the image will be half into 4. So this will give you height of the image as 2 centimeters. Matlab, we can conclude at the end, in this, if we do some conclusions, some conclusion points, it will be like, first is this, that height of image is half of height of object. Second, first is height of the image, half of the height of the object. Second, position of image. I'm just writing these points in connection with respect to the previous question. Position of the object is half of position of image. Position of object is half of the position of the image. Okay? But on other side, so basically we know object here is real, is on the real side, and the image here is in virtual side. Got it? So this first point clear, second point is also clear. These are the conclusions from this question. Solve किया तो हमारे पास answer भी आ गया. Finally, we got these answers. That is, if I need to write it, V is equals to +5. As the object is this, and rest of the thing is this, that the image is not real, but it is virtual, because V is positive. Okay, I hope students you got all the answers. Okay, I hope you got all the answers. Now let us move towards this question. Can anyone of you solve this question? Okay, there is a doubt in this question. I mean, it's a complex question, by the way. If you haven't gone through the theory concept which is connected with this topic, okay, this is basically a difficult question for all the students who haven't completed the theory. But still, even if you don't know the concept behind this, still you can solve it if you use your brain. And the person who is able to solve without seeing the theory is a real one. I mean, he's a champion here. Okay. So let us see one thing here. I'm solving it for you. Just be focused. So see what is given here. You are given object distance as -30 centimeter. Okay. You are given image distance, nothing. Since it's an concave mirror, you are given focus as -10 centimeter. When you will apply this formula, and put the values, answer will be what, students? आंसर क्या होगा? Find the answer. Text me first. Then we'll see next what to do. When you will do this thing, okay? So answer will be like this: 1 by v minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. So from here you will get 1 by 3 minus 1. That is v is equals to minus 15 centimeters. So finally you will get v image at 15 centimeter minus v equals to minus 15 centimeters. ठीक. So now the image either can move in this vector direction, in this vector direction. I don't know where it will move. Okay, but we'll see now. So for solving this image connection, we need a descriptive theory. So write the topic now. I'll derive it. Okay. Suppose you're having a concave mirror, like concave. You can see this formula which I'll be deriving in this. You after the derivation formula, you will see. Don't think like this, since we have used the concave mirror. So it is only valid for the concave mirror. It will be also valid for the convex mirror. Okay. Yes, good. Sakshi, your answer is right. It's V minus 15. Suppose students, we are having a concave mirror with you. You are having a concave mirror with you. Suppose this is the pole of that concave mirror. And principal axis is passing like this. Okay. If you focus here, it will be having 2 points. Focus also. And C point also, that is the radius of curvature. Both the points it will be having. Okay. And suppose object is somewhere beyond this. Okay. And it is moving with a speed VO. Fine. And also this mirror is moving with Vm speed. Suppose the image is formed somewhere, suppose here. In which direction it will move? So let us decide now. Okay. कौन सी direction move करेगा? We'll decide it now. इसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना. You have to use this formula again. वन by v plus 1 by equals to 1 by f. इसको solve करोगे तो क्या आएगा? I mean differentiate on both the directions. Students, differentiate both the directions, LHS and RHS. We'll get like this: minus 1 by v square dv by dt minus 1 by cu square du by dt. So from this you can say like this. Now a formula has been derived. Velocity of image with respect to Shabad. Velocity of image with respect to this, okay, will be equals to minus v square by u square. Velocity of object with respect to spherical mirror. This is your answer, students. Okay. I hope it's clear. This is a generalized format. Now I'll apply this format in the above numerical. This here. Isko apply karo. What the answer you're getting? I'm waiting for your answers. 1 minute. I'm waiting for your answer. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Then I will solve. First of all, at least solve. Then I will solve. Okay, students. So I hope you got the answer. If you are not able to solve, now I will solve, and we are having still 20 minutes, so I'll be fast now, okay? Because I have given you minutes and like you haven't solved anything other than the previous questions. Got it? So now let us be fast here. ठीक है, अब इसमें अप्लाई करो. कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे? You are having here the object distance is how much? Object distance है 2 centimeter per 2 centimeters per second. Okay, take that direction positive by convention. By sign and convention, take that direction positive. 2 centimeter per second. And velocity of the mirror is minus 1 centimeter per second. Velocity of the image I don't know. ठीक है, इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. I don't know. Now I'll apply the formula. Velocity of image minus velocity of mirror minus v square by u square. Velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Image velocity कितनी है? I don't know. I need to find it. Mirror velocity minus 1. So just put down the values here. This I need to find. This is velocity of image. V is how much? Minus 15. U is minus 30. Object velocity is how much? 2 centimeter per second. Minus of minus 1. So from here you'll get like this. This will be 1 by 4, 3 by 4. The net will be minus 3 by 4 in the RHS. And the LHS it will be minus 1, minus 3 by 4. Velocity of image will be minus 3 by 4 minus 1, minus 7 by 4 centimeter per second. Students, this is the answer. I hope it's clear. ठीक है? Velocity of the image कितना आया? minus 7 by 4 centimeter per second. Minus 7 by 4 का मतलब होता क्या है? What's the meaning of minus 7 by 4? It means opposite directions. ठीक है? We'll take like this. So I will show you now where will be the sign. So the image will be here. If at t equals to 0, object starts from here. Image will be here and it will start from here in this direction. That is 7 by 4 centimeter per second. ठीक? Is the solution clear? Yes. Now students move towards this kind of, in the series of solving the questions based on spherical mirrors. Now let us move towards this question. That is, suppose you are having a mirror. इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम है concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Be focused, I will be fast, I told you. This is placed on the origin. Pole, you will see its pole is been on the origin. Pole is on the origin. And this is, suppose we are having the object here. Okay. This object is having x and y coordinates are like this. Okay. So from here, we can say x coordinate is basically object distance minus 40. Y is basically the image distance. Plus 1. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन को the examiner can modify somewhat and can ask like this. कैसे? It will be like this. U image distance मतलब height of the image. ठीक है? इसको कैसे करना होगा? Simple. They will be asking you now find the position of the image. इसका मतलब ये है basically it's asking you. Or I just have to remove. I have written by mistake object distance. This is object's height. This is object's height. Because both the coordinates are for the object, no. Here also some mistake is there. We'll write here object ka height. Okay. Now in this question, it is asking from you, find the x and y coordinate for the image. Okay. That means y coordinate means what? Height of the image. Simple up. First of all, let us see something here. that object is at 40, minus 40, but 40 from the negative side. Okay. 1 centimeter is the height. So from this, we can conclude like this, that an object is placed. So the question can be modified, transformed, interpretation can be done, and can be asked like this, that object is in front of the concave mirror. Principal axis is passing like this is the pole. And object is like this, which is having the height 1 centimeter. This is the height of the object, and distance from the pole is 40 in magnitude. You have to find the position, height of the image, the same question, and nature. Simple, use the formulas. Focal point जो दे रखा है, it is basically here -10, -5. Okay, ROC is this. Radius of curvature is 10. It means f is r by 2 minus 5. Very simple it is. Use this formula. V, I don't know, u is minus 40. Focus will be minus 5. When you will solve this thing, this will give you like this. This will give you what? 40 by 7. So from this you get V, that is the position of the image is this. That is X. This is nothing but the X coordinate of image. This is the X coordinate of the image. Okay. So it's minus matlab same side. Matlab it will be somewhat here. So X coordinate of the image is minus 40 by 7. Okay. Now Y coordinate of the image, matlab height of the image. How will find? Simple. Use that relation. Relation will be this. Height of the image upon height of the object is minus V by U. Got it? Height of the image is how much? Height of the image kitna hai? Kitna hai height of the image? I don't know. I need to find. Object ka height 1 centimeter. V kitna hai? V is minus 45.7. That is X coordinate of the image or distance of the image. U is how much? U is object distance minus 40. Solve karenge, you will get it as minus 1 by 7. And height of the image, I can say, you will get like this, that it is, sorry, it is height of the object. I did a mistake here, just hold on. A little bit of the mistake. No, it's fine. Height of the image upon height of the object. 1 centimeter. So minus 40 by 7, 40 minus 1 by 7, 1 centimeter. So you'll get the height of the image as minus 1 by 7 centimeters. This is the right answer, students. Okay. Maybe in the previous class I've given the wrong answer. Height of the image is minus 1 by 7 centimeter. So now you can write the coordinates. Now you can write the coordinates or position and height of image as xy like this. That is minus 40 by 7 minus 1 by 7. This is the required answer. Is this thing clear? So this question ka answer kya hai? This question ka answer is this. Students, it's very easy. That is minus 40 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Check this 1 by 7 by the way, one more time. Okay, this is the homework for you. Got it? Is it fine? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So students, yeah, Bashir, very good. Okay, excellent. Now, what are the things remaining? So now we're having a topic which is named as combination of mirrors. Combination of mirrors. What does it say? See, from the beginning we have started with the spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors we dekha, type of questions which can be asked from the plane mirrors. We have seen spherical mirror. Now in this type of questions can also be asked from the spherical mirrors. Okay. Isme se bhi the type of questions can be asked. But one thing is clear here. That is combination of mirrors mein kya hota hai? Either they can mix a concave mirror. Either they can mix a convex mirror. Either they can mix a plane mirror with that. So it's like a game now, okay? It's like a some game, virtual game for you. Okay, or you can say like this: you're given many mirrors, concave, unlimited concave mirror. It's like a cheat. You play the games like San Andreas and Vice City. In that, you apply the cheats. You know, if you play so many times Penzer, say like Penzer is like this. If you play so many times Penzer, you know this thing in Vice City, what happens? Tanks, many number of tanks will fall on you. Okay. So there are several cheats to produce or generate something, cars, bikes, and all this thing. Similarly, here you're having many cheats. So you're having many concave mirrors. Just type concave mirror, you'll get many concave mirrors. Concave. Okay. Convex. Plane mirror. I'm not shading. Shade will be like this. You know this. But whatever. Now you're having the option to play with these three mirrors. That is, mix any two, three, four, whatever. So now you can combine these sets of mirror any number of times. Okay, and then you can ask a question from your friend, and he'll fall into a complex situation where he will just be seeing the reflections, and then he'll not able to come to the final conclusion of the final image. Okay, so how they'll ask you the question? They can ask you the question in this sense that suppose we are given a concave mirror. This is the first question for you. Suppose we are given a concave mirror, and suppose there is a plane mirror like this on the other side. That is this. This is what? This is a plane mirror. Okay. And this is the center of curvature of this mirror, which is ROC equals to 20 centimeters. Take here center of curvature. This is the ROC, means radius of curvature. Focus will be equals to R by 2 here. You know this thing. Okay. So see what they're asking you in the question. This is the first example. So they're asking from you. Find the position of the final image after the three successive reflections, taking first reflection on M1. Okay. So this is the first mirror, mirror number 1. Okay. The object is here. So since you understand, think like this, if the object is present here, it will be having a reflection from here. Again, ray फिर इस पे चला जाएगा. Again, it will come here. Again, it will come here. Again, it will go like this. So it's a very complex situation. You know, you can't come to the final conclusion कि image form कहाँ पे होगा. So for this, the questionnaire makes some simplicity for you. You know, he relaxes you by giving these beautiful words here. What are the beautiful words? These are the words. Find the position final image after 3. So this is a relaxation for you. Only take 3 successive reflections. Successive means one by one. Also, he's giving you one recommendation key. Take the first reflection from M1. Okay. So starting from this first reflection, second reflection, then again first reflection. I mean again towards the concave mirror. So this completes the 3 reflection. Then you can find the image. So you'll do like this. First you will apply. Okay, just wait. We are going to see a very cool animation now. Just wait. First you'll apply this 1 by V, 1 by U, 1 by F. Fine, keeping the object distance as it is in the question. You can see here it's 15 centimeter negative. You'll get V. Once you get V, use this V as an object distance for plane mirror. Then again find the image. Then this image, which is the plane mirror image, I2, use this as a virtual object kind of thing for concave mirror again. Okay. And through this, you will get the final image I3, which is the required result. Okay. See, no need to worry if you're not able to solve this question. We'll see this question in the next class, not now. Okay, this will be like a recall question starting from here only. In the next class, not now, tomorrow's class. Okay. Maybe if tomorrow you're having the class or Wednesday, no issues. After this, a similarly looking question, which is based on the combination of mirrors again. Fine. This is also same question. Mirrors like this. So I told you, you can either combine concave, convex, concave, convexo, concave, convex plane, concave plane, anything. Okay. So ये तो रही एक बात. Now we'll see this question. See, I'm not telling you, I'm not forcing you to solve this question. I just given you the trick. If you understood, that's fine. Otherwise, I'll solve this completely step by step in the next class. Now just see this animation. This was our goal actually, to understand somewhat about refraction before leaving the class. That is today's class. So I'll be not listen students, I'll be not explaining you refraction completely here. But what we will do is that I will launch a very good quality, best quality animation for you. So it's like a funny animation, as you see the funny cartoons like Doraemon, Ed and Eddie, and all these things, Shinchan basically. So when you will see this animation, you will feel so good that in a very funny way, the person, the Tony character, has explained us reflection. Okay. So we are ready for the animation, and then we'll end the class. Students, are you ready for the animation? Yes or no? Tell me so I can launch the animation. It's very good, high quality animation. I mean, you'll feel very good. You can understand this concept. What is this concept of reflection? See, एक बात सुनो. Before this, we have studied a reflection phenomenon. उसमें भी तो एक animation देखा था ना? Two brothers were there. Similarly, there is some phenomenon which is known as reflection shown by the light. After passing from one medium to another medium, say denser, rarer, denser. And the property which is linked with this medium is reflective index. That we'll see in the next classes. But for now, here we go for this animation. I'm closing my video. You can see the animation. If you're having any doubt, you can text me. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Okay. I mean, this is the last minute's animation. So watch it carefully.
Fraction of light.
I have launched again, okay?
Huh?
Why does a pencil look bent in water? Wow, that was a very cool magic trick. Now check this out.
Oh.
Hey, stop crying. Your magic wand is not bent or broken. Look, it is safe. But do you know why your magic wand appeared bent in water?
Oh.
It is because of refraction of light. Refraction of light is the change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely. So, what do you think are the two media here? You don't know? No worries. I will tell you. They are air and water.
Oh.
When the light rays coming from the tip of the magic wand pass from water to air, they change their direction, that is, they get refracted. When these refracted rays reach our eyes trace them backward as straight lines. Due to this, the rays appear to come from a point slightly above the original position. Hence, the magic wand appears to be bent in water.
Oh.
Similarly, like the magic wand, a pencil appears to be bent in water.
So students, I hope you have observed this thing, the observation of refraction here. Anna, I hope you like the animation. See, we've seen between what was happening here. Okay. So do you want to see it again? Okay, so we'll see it again in the next class. I'll upload this animation on the Google Drive link, okay? You can see it many times if you want. So see here one time. See, I'll give you a little bit explanation. So what is happening is this. That this is a magic wand, it's a magic stick. This boy is feeling that this is like broken in between or tilted in from between when it falls into the water. But actually this is not. What happens actually is this. When a ray of light passes from a denser medium, is incident on a denser medium, and it passes from the denser medium towards a rarer medium, say air or vacuum, which is here, it bends away from the normal. So when the things bends away from the normal, angle is increased, and when this is, this is extended back, the object which is actually here, this is the actual position of the object and not this, but it will appear here, that is to this eyes. Got it? That it's been appearing like it is raised with some height here, say h height, which is a fake thing. It's an illusion. So if you're not having the knowledge, you will be in the illusion and then you will suffer. This is the thing. goal of this animation, motor of this story of this animation, that he was crying. You can see this, he's crying. Actually, if I remove all of this paintings, it is. Now see what will happen. He will cry. You know this, no? See this last time. He's crying.
Hey, stop
Because he
crying.
don't have the knowledge
Your
of
magic wand is
reflection.
not bent
Once he
or
got the knowledge of
broken.
the reflection,
Look,
see now what's
it is
happened.
safe.
At last,
Because of
he got the knowledge,
refraction of
complete
light.
knowledge of reflection.
Refraction of light is similarly, like the
So when he
magic
will
wand,
get the
a
knowledge of
pencil
reflection, now
appears
he'll
to
be
bent
happy.
in
He will
water.
see, he's happy now. He's showing you the thumb, like, okay. So I hope that you also like this animation with this toon character. Now I will end the class. Thank you so much for your participation. If you're facing any doubt, please text us or be happy, and we'll meet in the next class. Goodbye. Okay, students. So bye bye, everyone. Any doubts, you can text. If you want any modules, I'll put all those modules, materials on the Google Drive link. Got it? Yes. Bye bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. I'm going to end the class now. If you're having any doubt, you can ask. Okay, bye, Sakshi, Diyal, Bashir, all the students. Okay.